Hello friends, in advanced JavaScript, our today's topic is objects in JavaScript. In that we will see what is document object model is. Let's start. See objects in JavaScript. So if I am saying the object, so how we can define it? JavaScript is an object based scripting language. So whatever we will do in the JavaScript, we will use objects. Almost everything is an object in JavaScript. How? I will show you by example. A JavaScript object is an entity having a state, you may say properties and behavior, that will be method. Suppose I am taking a device as an object, then the task which that device can do will be the properties of that device, and the actions performed by those tasks will be the methods of that device. How? Let's check here. If I take a car as an object, then the specification of that car will be the properties of that car. What are the specifications of that car? Is the car name is one of the specification. So you can differentiate which company car we are using. So if car is my object, then car dot name is equal to Ferrari is the property of that particular object. Car dot model, so name is my property, model is my property of that particular object, weight is property here, and color is property here. So attributes of that car will be the properties of the particular object in the program of JavaScript. So car dot name is Ferrari, car dot model is F430, car dot weight is 1517 kg is the weight of your car, and car dot color is red. So color is red here. So that are the properties of your car. Here you can see the methods, and you can say functions here, but the method is correct word here in the JavaScript. So car dot start means whatever the activities performed in the start method will be included in the car dot start. Car dot drive, whatever the activities in the drive will be defined in these methods, that is drive. Car dot brake, to brake the car or to apply the brakes in car, which methods or which activities will be performed will be included in the brake method. Car dot stop, to stop the car, whatever the functionalities will be there will be included into car dot stop. So you can access those methods by dot and properties by dot. What is your object name is car, and if you want to access its name, you can just simply give the car dot name, and you can access the name Ferrari. And if you want to access a model, then you can give a car dot model. Likewise, if you want to start the car in the program, you can use dot start function in the program, and if you want to stop the car, you can use car dot stop function in the program. So that is about what are the objects and their properties and their methods. So in brief, we are going to see properties and methods of the objects are accessed with dot operator. JavaScript supports two type of objects, built-in objects and user-defined objects. So there are some built-in objects also, and there are some user-defined. So you can define objects as per you want. So what are the, or which are the built-in objects are, So see, there are some examples like math, string, array, date. And JavaScript gives facility to create user defined object as per user requirement. The new keyword, by the new keyword you can create your own new object or new object, you may say. So this will be, suppose here they have given an example. For example, D is my new object, so I will create it by D is equal to new date. So D will be my date object. It will be D is new instance created for date object. Date is my built-in object, you may say, or built-in method, and a new date will be accessed by my D. So if you want to make a new object, if I use F here and new date, new F is equal to new date, then F will be my new instance of date object. So let's move towards document object model. When HTML document is loaded into a web browser, it becomes a document object. It defines logical structure of document. The way in which HTML document content is accessed and modified is called as document object model. So whatever will be loaded in the HTML browser will become your HTML document, and how we can access it or retrieve it or modify it, whole process will be defined in document object model. It is a programming interface for HTML and XML, that is extensible markup language. The standardization of DOM means what? Document object model was founded in W3C, that is World Wide Web Consortium, which works for standardization of web technologies. According to WC3, the W3C document object model is platform and language neutral interface that allows program and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure and style of the document. If you want your web page to be dynamic, then you have to use a document object model. See, here you can see what document object model exactly contains. Document object model has location objects, document objects, navigator objects and history objects. Location objects will be having the location purposes for objects. Document objects include form object, link object, image object and anchor object. Here are the links of different pages can be accessed. Image object is simple image object. Navigator object is how in the program you can navigate, will be defined in the navigator object. That will be the information about your app or the model of your app. The history object means it will give simply the history of your object in the program. When we will run the program and we will take its examples, you will understand more about it. So that is about the objects in JavaScript and document object model. We will see the programs to understand better in the next lecture. Thank you so much.